How to enable Twitter dark mode in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Firstly, what you have to do is you have to firstly go to your Twitter app homepage and then click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, and then in the most bottom left corner you can see that this bulb like icon. So when you click on this, then you can dark mode. It is saying that dark mode. So you have to click on the turn on. So it will turn on the dark mode on your the Twitter app. So that's basically it. So this is first way to turn on the dark mode. You can also do this by going through the settings and privacy, and then you have to go to the display and sound in the general section. So you have to click on the display and sound, and then here you can see the dark mode. So you have to click on the dark mode, and then you can turn off the dark mode, and then you can also and you can again turn on the dark mode by clicking on the on button. So that's basically it, that how you can enable dark mode on Twitter. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.